Only then I remembered that he had my money. I lost nearly $320,000. And I was like, oh, shit. Yeah.
Hamish McLaren pleaded guilty to fraud.
How did he manage to con so many people out of so much?
There is no truth coming out of his mouth.
A new report has found Australians lost a record $3.1 billion to scams last year.
But you're pretty vigilant, right?
I watch those stories on the news and I look at it and I think that, oh, I'd never fall for that. And yet here I am, I lost my life savings to a man that, pretended to love me. It wasn't until he was arrested in July 2017 that I actually found out his real name. So that's where the whole "who the hell is Hamish" came from, because I had no idea who he was. The amount of people that have come up to me and said, oh my God, that happened to my parents, or that happened to me. And I'd never heard a story like this before because it's so much shame.
Money is the last taboo, and when you lose money and you feel embarrassed, you feel stupid, you are ashamed. What they tell us is that 1 in 3 people don't report a scam. So we can safely assume that that figure is much higher. And people don't report it because they are ashamed, embarrassed. Get curious, ask the question of looking for a digital footprint. It's one thing not to have a social presence, but it's another thing not to have a digital footprint.
But I think, we all need to be more vigilant. There's not a day that goes by where you're not exposed to some type of scam. I think we have to be really vigilant personally, but also look out for our loved ones, like the elderly people in our lives who are so vulnerable financially.